Horses out, we have Boomerang. Pass to begin and on the outside. Second is Ecomac, Lady Dancer in third. Patricia's Dream comes next. Crazy for you. Then followed by Positive Side. Down on the inside. Watulco and Empire Queen is the early trailer. We have Boomerang by about 4 lengths now. Ecomac in second. 4 lengths in third. Patricia's Dream. Lady Dancer, Crazy for you. Then followed over by Positive Side. Second last, Watulco and Empire Queen. That's still Boomerang by about 4 lengths. Ecomac still in second, and in third, Lady Dancer, Patricia's Dream. Then moving up is Watulco. Boomerang still in front by Rolenga Rehepa. Ecomac now trying to get closer on the outside second, but Boomerang still in front by Rolenga. Ecomac is on the outside second. Lady Dancer in third. Boomerang this time by about 2.5 lengths. Ecomac still in second. Lady Dancer in third. Then comes Watulco as they come down the last 150. Boomerang now is strides away by about 6 lengths. And in second is Ecomac, Lady Dancer. Last 100 meters, we have Boomerang followed by Ecomac, Lady Dancer. And finally, it's Boomerang, Ecomac, Lady Dancer, Watulco, Empire Queen. Then comes Positive Side, Patricia's Dream, and Crazy for You.